In this video, we are going to show you how to install 70mm Dashcam Omni. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. This Dashcam is the world's first rotating 360-degree full view dashcam. Equipped with AI motion detection and best-in-class night vision, empowered by PureCel Plus-S HDR. It's designed to precisely capture any suspiciousness around the vehicle, significantly maximize surveillance compatibility, and intelligently avoid road safety related incidents. Does have a nice quality build. Here is your USB-C power input. On this side we have your power button and up and down. 1.2-inch IPS screen. It has a 340-degree swivel design plus a 140 field of view angle. We have a glow ring here that lights up 5 different colors under different commands and different situations. This is your front camera, which records at full HD 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames or 60 frames per second. Has an internal battery of 300 milliamps. Does not have an SD card, but an internal eMMC storage. You have the option of 32 gigs, 64 gigs, or 128 gigs. Measures at 2.03 inches by 2.03 inches by 3.67 inches. On the bottom is your speaker. Comes with 2 electrostatic films, an extra adhesive, a trim tool, your manual, and your power cable, USB to USB-C, with your cigarette plug adapter. Don't forget to get the optional Hardwire kit, so you can use a 24-hour surveillance. It is 3.3 meters long. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. To install, we're going to go ahead and locate the fuse box. In this Honda Pilot, it is located behind this footwell. Next, you want to grab your voltage meter. We're going to go ahead and ground this to a unpainted bolt. And now we're going to look for a fuse. The engine is now off, so we want to look for a 10 amp fuse or above and make sure it has power. That will be our battery, our positive. So I've tested a few already, and this is the one that has power. Everything else doesn't. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start the car and find which fuse has power when the car is started. Alright, so we have the car on. I'm gonna go ahead and test the fuse. And this one has power. So when the engine is off, this has no power. And when the engine is on, this has power. So this would be my ACC, my accessory. Now we're gonna get our included fuse puller and go ahead and pull this one, which was our red, our battery, our positive. Now get your piggyback fuse and you're gonna put that fuse on the empty spot. Now once you got that in, you're gonna go ahead and plug it into that spot where you pulled the red one. Now you're gonna repeat those steps with your ACC. Take your fuse puller, pull that fuse out. We're gonna insert that fuse into your piggyback inline fuse. Just like that. And then we're gonna put it back in that original spot. Just gonna match the color up yellow to yellow. And then your red to your red. Just like so. And then you're gonna find a bolt. I have it on the side, and we're gonna ground the black wire. So here is the USB-C power cable. I have routed it through the headliner. Now you want to determine where you want to mount your camera. I wanted it to be here. So you're going to clean the surface area. And then take your electrostatic film and go ahead and place it into place. Just like that. Then you're going to take your camera, go ahead and peel the protective sticker there, and then you're going to mount it on the sensor. Press firmly. Now that we got it mounted, we're just going to go ahead and plug the power cable. Now let's go ahead and start the vehicle.
Please connect your app to activate the dash cam.
Now we're going to go ahead and download the app. So here's the app. Let's go ahead and install it. Go ahead and open. Now we're going to go ahead and look for device. Hit allow. And we have the Omni Dashcam. Alright, this is it right here. Go ahead and click on that.
Click the power button to authorize.
So it says to click the power button to authorize. So we're going to go ahead and hit the power button. We're going to go ahead and hit start. And let's go ahead and connect. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. We're going to click the down button. Go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi. And Wi-Fi is on. Your password is 12345678. So we're going to look for that hotspot name. There it is. We're going to go ahead and connect to that. Enter your password 12345678. And let's connect. Let's go back to the app. And we're connected.
are detected during parking. Please enter the Dashcam album to view the parking surveillance video. Lane departure. Vehicle ahead motion detected. Front car. Attention to pedestrians.
Take selfie. Shoot left. Shoot right.
Entering the parking surveillance mode.
So right now it's just shooting a vlog. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.